Tired of being the only one that's cleaning? Here's how to get your whole family involved without the stress and maybe even a little fun. If cleaning feels like a constant battle, you're not alone. Most parents feel like they're doing it all themselves while the mess is multiplied. But here's the good news: with a few simple shifts, cleaning can become a moment of connection instead of chaos. So let's jump into some tips. Tip number 1 is reframe it as bonding time. So it's not a chore, it's quality time. Turn on music, assign fun roles, or turn it into a silly game. Imagine your kids laughing while they are wiping the windows and you're getting high fives all around after they are cleaning like a treasure hunt. Tip number 2, make it with age. So the little ones can put the toys in the bins or their baskets, and the older kids can actually handle the wipes or the sweeping. Maybe use a sticker chart or a point system to keep it fun and fair, and everybody has their role and everyone can feel proud of what they've done. Tip number 3 is set a weekly routine. So try a family cleanup hour every Saturday morning. You could create a vision chore chart so your kids know what's coming. So these routines can reduce resistance and make it part of the family culture. Tip number 4 is keep it simple and keep it safe. Let go of perfection and have a good enough is great attitude, and use a non-toxic product that are safe for kids to handle so they can help without a worry. Celebrate some wins. So when the job is done, celebrate either a movie night or a dance party or pancakes for dinner, whatever makes your family smile. This builds a positive association with cleanliness and teamwork. To recap is, so remember, make it fun, keep it at age appropriate, set a routine, and simplify and celebrate. And if you want to make a more stress-free tips or a cleaner, happier home, follow along and tap the link for more non-toxic living inspiration. At Truly Free Home, we believe a clean home should never come at the cost of your family's health. All of our cleaning products are powered by the fact that they are safe and simple and are actually fun to use.